You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this noun, this name, from Arabic, from Islam, Muhammad's night journey. Arabic pronunciation, how to pronounce Isra, by the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary from Arabic that is useful in names, stay tuned. Isra. In English, the pronunciation is as Isra. Isra. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.